How to fix Arc Rider crashing, freezing and DX12 error? Arc Rider would not launch fix. First step, search for settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Microsoft Visual C++. If you having the latest version means you can click the three dot icon and click modify and click repair. Do it for both 64 and 86 bit. If you're not having the latest version means you need to go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++. We'll move on with next step. Search for advanced system settings. Click it. Click advanced. Under performance click settings. Click advanced tab. Under virtual memory click changes and enable automatic manage paging file size for all drives. Once enabling, after click apply and OK and click restart now. After restarting, move on with next step. Search for device manager. Click it. Click display adapters and check the adapters here. After checking, go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. It depends on the device, it may vary, so you need to check here and go to the official website and download and install it. That is one method. And the next method, right click, click update drivers. These are the two methods. Once complete, after the next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Arc Riders and Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means you need to add the application. Go to C drive, click it and add it. Once adding, after enable both private and public, click OK in the bottom side. Next step, open run and type the following text. Select the drive. Select the files you are going to delete. If you are not aware of the files means you can click view files and click OK and click delete files. Once successfully delete, after one more time click run and type the following text mdsched.exe. Type it and click OK. Check your computer for memory problems. Click reset now and check for problems. Once the reset complete, after click settings, click system settings, click display settings. In this scale you need to set the recommended scale, and display resolution you need to set the recommended resolution. After click graphics, click advanced graphics settings, click hardware acceleration GPU schedule. It should be in turn off mode. If you enable means you need to disable it and scroll down and search for Steam and Arc Riders. The GPU preference is depends on you, but the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. If the application not having means you need to click add and go to C drive and add the application. Once adding, after move on with next step. Open this PC, make sure have enough memory space. Right click, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Once scanning complete, after close it and restart the device. Thank you.